Okay guys, here's the treatment unit that we built at Alexan so you can see through it. I'm going to walk you through the steps that it took to get this to where it is. You can see the reddish liquid there coming in on the left, working its way through the system, and then you can see the clear effluent going out on the right. The whole thing starts right here. This is the water from the Chevron site that has been pre-treated. And what I did here is I added, it comes in as kind of a dark gray color, a grayish color, and I added some chemistry to attach to the metals within that water. And when I did that with sodium sulfide, and then I added VTX and peroxide to oxidize that sulfide to sulfate. In the case of barium, it attaches very readily to that sulfate and will then settle out. So this material was pre-treated, and then we're mixing it obviously, and it comes up this line here to this pump, which is then metering it into the system, and it's designed basically to enter the system here at the valve you note there, and it goes through the system and exits on the other side in about 4 hours. So a given frac tank, for example, you could treat about something like 5,000 gallons an hour. At any rate, the treatment liquid enters here, goes over a weir, goes down and underneath the first barrier, and then up into the second tank, where I'm adding some sodium carbonate to sequester more metals, and I'm aerating it there to get good mixing, adding a little polymer every now and then. Flows over top of that weir, goes down into this kind of V-shaped tank area. It goes through the tiny crack in the bottom, right kind of in the middle of your screen there, and goes down, and then the sludge starts to move off underneath of the lamella settlers that I've constructed there. And you can see the sludge drain valve there on the bottom right. And if you come down, you can see through the tank there, the water's clarified as it goes up through the lamella tubes there until it gets to the surface. It moves off to the right, over into the last tank, which could be a treatment tank in the future, and then out the valve there to the effluent. Got a tank over here that's collecting the effluent water. You can see right there. The water is nice and clean and clear, as you can see. So this takes us to a point where we've removed a lot of the metals. Additional metals can be moved out with additional chemistry in a secondary tank. Sludge can easily be dewatered in a belt press, or probably more appropriately a filter press. And got a nice neat little cleaning job here. Some of the other material I've gotten though is really nasty, and I need to go into my bag of tricks to work with some of them. There are a lot of emulsified oils and polymers and such. And anyway, I'm starting down the path to treat those. There'll be a way to treat all of them. It's just going to take time to figure it all out, but I thought you guys would be interested in seeing what we have here today.